guys, welcome back to my channel B43. So this is a quick video. We all know how Jawa sounds, but we have to know how Jawa sounds with MotoWings exhaust. So yes, let's see.
Hello everyone, it's me Naveen again. So as I gave you a short intro about myself and Moto Wings Performance in the previous video, and we have now planned to launch performance exhaust system for Jawa Classic and 43, and you can see the exhaust system down here. And these exhaust systems are completely designed and built handmade, and these exhaust systems will be giving you a output of 1.2 bhp on wheels, which without affecting any mileage and affecting the engine. These exhausts are also built with stainless steel 304 and which carries lifetime replacement warranty with the house of Moto Wings Performance. And these exhausts are also designed same as like Classics and Interceptor exhausts. These cores are also built with synthetic wheels and which provides lifetime replacement warranty, and moreover you can hear a beautiful rumbling sound in the Jawa engines as like the retro Jawas. Come, let's hear up the note.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
So now let's hear the thump of Jawa. So let's see the flyby note with the Jawa Classic installed with Moto Wings Performance exhaust. Thank you guys.
So yes, hope you all enjoyed the video. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Catch you on next video. Until then, bye bye.